Okay, this is another ChatGPT feature update video. ChatGPT recently introduced ChatGPT Tasks. Now, using this feature, you will be able to get a daily reminder of tasks or some details and few other things also. So let me show you all those features and possibilities in this video. So currently I'm in ChatGPT console. If I now click on my profile picture, there is one option that is task, which is currently in beta version. Now, if I click on task, you will be able to see whatever the task I already configured and whatever is available. Now, this is one area where you will be able to manage all of your tasks. But before that, let me show you how can you set up a new task and how to configure, how to use it, and how to also define a task so that you get the right result. So initially, I was thinking what ChatGPT task will additionally do. I have my reminder app, I have Todoist and other applications using which I already get my reminders. So what value ChatGPT task will additionally add? Now after that I realized this is not only a simple reminder. This can do multiple things. If I click on this particular option, that is new chat, and then if I select ChatGPT 4.0 with scheduled task option from this drop down, and then I type this particular prompt, set up a new task to get top generative AI news every day at 9 a.m. Now, after I'll hit enter, then it will create the task, and then let me show you what are the other settings you can configure. If I hit enter, now it's showing that got it. I'll give you the news every day morning at 9. And if you click on these three dots, you will be added this particular task from this dialog box. Let me show you one by one. First of all, the name of this task, how you will recognize it later. Second is instructions. Now here it mentions search for top generative AI news. I'll come and show you more option here. Then the schedule. You want daily, weekly, monthly, whatever frequency you want, that you can select from here, and then the time from here. So now you can pause any of the task, you can delete, and then once you click on save, your task will be saved. Now this instruction, if you want in specific format, that also you can do. Now let me show you how I got this idea of this task and what are the additional details I can configure. If I come to this particular tab, earlier I was trying with this particular feature and I found these other things. So first of all, I mentioned that I have configured two new tasks using this new feature of ChatGPT. One I configured to get a daily AI news, the one we are configuring now, and the other one to get some of the tweet suggestions which I can copy paste. In this way I mentioned. And then I asked that these are the two ideas. Can you give me some more ideas also? So then it gave me few more ideas. Daily summary of email, personalized learning plan and everything. All those things. Fitness, diet suggestions, everything. So you can think of whatever you are interested for to get certain details on daily basis. It's not only just one single reminder. If you want some data points against any of the topic on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, that you can request here. As of date, you can configure 10 parallel tasks within ChatGPT. I'm not aware that when they will increase this limit, but as of now, you can configure 10 different tasks. Now, if I come here, if you see, I mentioned that, okay, few of the above suggestions are good, but I'm only finding couple of suggestions which are good, and that I also mentioned here, that these are the two suggestions. Market insight and social media content suggestions are good, but others are not useful for me. And then I asked for some more details. Then it gave me few more options. So using this prompt or any other way, you can ask ChatGPT, how can you use ChatGPT task to get most out of it. Now let me show you very quickly that how I got the text, that what I'm going to configure within that task. Can you give me a detailed instruction text using which I want to configure the new task within ChatGPT? I will just copy paste that text, like automated video script idea. So when I typed, it gave me all these details, that in the instruction, I can update all these details. Similarly, I asked for the trending IT news because I'm in IT field. I need to know about those details, right? So that I also mentioned. Now, these are the all details I generated. Now, if I go back to my profile and then to task, here you will be able to see that these are the earlier tasks I configured. Now, if I click on this trending IT and cloud news, and if I click on this edit, you'll be able to see how much text I provided here. So I just copied the text from that prompt and then I pasted it here. And then I scheduled it. Now what will happen? ChatGPT will be sending you all those details as per this schedule. Let me show you how can you do that. But before that, one setting you need to check within your ChatGPT profile. If I go here and click on settings, then one option is now added, that is notification. If I click on it, there are two options. One is email, second one is push. So I selected for email. So once this email is selected, now if I open my Gmail here, you can see ChatGPT is sending these emails on everyday basis. So if I click on this top 10 generative AI ideas, and if I click on view message, then it will open that same thread where it gave me all those details. You can see all this news it shared. So if I just talk about it, top 10 AI news, 31st January, it's sent today, and this is the details. And if I want to know more about it, I can click on this particular link and it will directly take me to that source of the details. So isn't it incredible? Everyday basis, you can just get all the required details on your mailbox, and then you can come to ChatGPT to check out those. Now, one suggestion: when I created my 5 tasks, I created using single thread. So every time all those details are coming in single thread. But down the line, when you will configure, every time you go to ChatGPT and open a new task, and there you configure your task, so that if you have 5 different tasks, 5 different threads will be maintained. Hopefully you will be able to use this particular feature. So as of date, currently it's available only as part of the paid plan. Plus, Pro or the Teams plan, this access is there. But normally ChatGPT introduce any of the new plan in the paid tier, and then they will make it available for the free tier also. So hopefully they will do it soon. Recently, ChatGPT also updated one of their existing good feature, that is how can you customize ChatGPT so that it will respond as per your preferences. Check out this video if you want to know everything about it.